Hey, Mr. Chaco back. Got the audio system done with the Road Glide, the 21 Road Glide, so it sounds amazing. Thank you MBS Audio and Boss Audio Systems for the that system. It's amazing. It sounds really good. We took it to a hanging rock this weekend and man, it sounded amazing. I forgot to show you guys in the last video a couple of tools. I got this, the ferrules, and the crimper kit. Both of those were less than $27 in Amazon. And you know, you need those clean connectors at your power terminal, and also for the blue cable to just make it a professional job. And it's all about making it clean. You know, it's a 24,000 plus bike, so you don't want to cut corners or anything like that. I have it on right now, so you guys can see, and we're gonna raise it up. Of course, this is copyright, non-copyrighted music. We just got it. The bass is amazing. Sleepless nights I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicidal thoughts when you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again. I'm alive and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't want to die. Yeah, it sounds pretty good. You know, it has enough bass, so I was pretty shocked. You know, it's around $500, so you can't beat it. You can't beat that price. So you know, would I recommend it? Yeah. If you're installing it yourself for less than $600, you can't beat the system. You know, beat it to the ground, blast it, and then just upgrade from there. This is the best stepping stone for it. It sounds amazing. It's really nice. The bass, you can feel the bass too. Yeah. And whenever I got it flashed, I took it to Sound Solutions in Greensboro. So I took it to get it flashed. It was around $80 plus the ferrule and the tool, that was plus $30. So I was, you know, I spent $130, which I'm always gonna use those ferrules in that tool. So for $110, I came out with a nice system and a clean install. You know, the flash tune that they used, that radio flash, was the Rockford Fosgate. And that actually gave me more options also on my screen. You know, I have more troubleshooting options and everything. So it was a great purchase. I would have bought it myself, but I was one of the 3 lucky ones to win this system. You know, can't beat it. Free. You know, this is Chalco, Mr. Chalco. You know it, Mr. Chalco. Do your best, master your craft. I'm out.